said some things we did.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So today I'm revealing these contact lenses. They are from APRILEYE. You can see how I'm looking stunning. Welcome. So it came in this cute box. You guys know I don't play with my contact lenses. They take you from 0 degree to 100. Like I always say, contact lenses, it will change your entire look for good. Okay, so today I'll be installing these ones from APRILEYE. Yeah, it came in this box. This is how it came. Okay, when you open,
This is murder, hard as melt.
make you shine again. Some things are falling. These are the cards inside. A key holder. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you. A case. After using your contact lenses, you put them in here to store them. Okay, they added 4 case. Oh, these ones are so cute. See these ones, they are so cute. Sent me 4 contact lenses.
You don't turn on me now.
So I'm going to try them, the 4 with you guys, so that you guys can see. You guys know I love my contact lens. Okay, I love my contact lenses. It takes me from 0 to 100. It takes me from 0 to 100 degree. Okay, the direct link to their website will be on the description box. I will see if there's any discount code. I'm going to include it. Don't worry, I'm going to include that as well. So that's the description box. If you like anyone, you can check their website. They have so many styles there. In case if you don't like any of these, but these ones, they are gorgeous. I guarantee you guys, they are gorgeous. So if you don't like any of these, you can dash to their website and look for your choice. Okay, all right, with all that being said, let's dash into this contact lens review. This one is Himalaya Grey. So this is how it looks direct from the case. When you take it from the case, and there is a note inside. Make sure you read this note, okay, before applying them. And make sure your hands are clean. So guys, this is it on my eye. This one is Misty Lime. Don't even pronouncing it well, pardon me. So this type is Misty Lime. Look at my natural eye, and this is the contact lenses. It has this kind of green color on it. You see? This is cool. Gorgeous. Bone. I don't know why it's removing. You don't want to stick to my eye.
I don't know how to cool it off.
Wow, this is cool.
Lately I've been feeling like somebody else.
So this one is the Himalaya Grey. See, this is my eye, and this is where the contact is. You can see this is gorgeous. I like it. See how this transformed me.
'Cause every morning I wish you were here.
Okay. Okay. This is the second one on. Oh, this stunning. Stunning. Wow.
Why did you have?
Ooh, girl. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. It's insane. Wow.
Picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you.
This is also gorgeous. Ooh. This one is Polar Light Grey. Wow. See it here and my eye. See the difference? You too. This here and my eye. This is gorgeous. Stunning. Stunning. So this is the 2 on. Wow. Ooh. This is so beautiful. Oh, I'm in for this. I am in for this. I am in for this. Stunning. It's gorgeous. Wow. Oh, this is gorgeous. Ooh.
Oh baby, let me hold you. I just wanna hold you.
This is Polar Light Grey. So I'm going to try the last one.
I was so caught up in you, picking up.
This is the contact. This one is sunset brown, right? Yeah, sunset brown. See, gorgeous. This one is stunning as well. I love this. Ooh, ooh, I love this. This is stunning. It's insane how this changed your look. It's insane. You need to get this. It's insane. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Whoa.
My heart, oh baby, let me hold you. I just wanna hold you.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. I'm going to leave the link to all the styles I wore on the description box. So if you're interested in any one, dash to the description box. They have so many styles on their website. I'm going to leave the link of their website also on the description box, so don't hesitate to check that out. Alright guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. And if you like this video, why not support your girl by clicking on the like button. I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget, these contact lenses, they are from APRILEYE. Bye.